Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open a margin account on Binance. Alright, so first up, open up your favorite browser and go to Binance.com. And once you're in here, go ahead and go to trade right here. Just hover your mouse onto it. Now you'll be able to see margin. Okay, it says here increase your profits and leverage. So just click on it, wait for it to fully load. And once it loads, there'll be a pop-up. Just click on OK or don't display this next time. Okay, now here we have our graph. And if it's your first time, you'll need to answer a quiz, okay? A pop-up will appear. Just click on Start the Quiz to proceed. This basically answers the questions accurately to demonstrate your understanding of margin, trading skills, trading risk, and concept, okay? And once you pass the quiz, your margin account will be activated. And you'll be able to see this graph right here, okay? You can buy and sell from this section. And also for you to be able to open up this section or the margin section, just make sure that you have enabled 2FA on your account. Also, when you go ahead over to your wallet right here under margin, okay, make sure that you have deposited enough crypto in your margin wallet. Okay, this serves as a collateral for your borrowed funds. Now, if you want to borrow directly, you could just go ahead over to borrow right here. As it says here, as you can see, my cross margin account currently has no assets. That's why you need to deposit funds right here for collateral. Once you've borrowed, if you have the money to repay, just click on repay right here. Just select the coin, for example, 1 inch right here. You'll be able to see the amount that you need to repay. Okay. And then just click on pay. That's basically it. That is how you open a margin account on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.